Can you hear me?
Al Nasser in Isako.
No.
Have we been studying?
Yes. Every newspaper.
Okay, guys. So we're about to start. Bring out your pen and paper. We're about to start. So yeah, like remember, guys, we jumped Autostrada. So I'll be coming back there. I know some of you guys have forgotten about it, but me, I still remember. We'll come back there later. So, guys, Rimorchi or semi-Rimorchi? Rimorchi or semi? What is Rimorchi? Who can tell us what is Rimorchi and semi-Rimorchi? In your language. I'll call some people. You tell us what is Rimorchi and semi-Rimorchi. Is it clear? I'll call some people out. You tell us what is Rimorchi. From what I taught you guys, let me see if some of you have been some. Let me start from Mr. Chris. Mr. Chris, what is a Rimorchi in your language?
Rimorchi is a container.
Rimorchi is a container. Thank you very much. Now, remember, in the family of container, I've started though. In family of container, we have Rimorchi itself. Rimorchi is there. We also have semi-Rimorchi. We have caravan.
Yes.
And the last guy is Carelli Appendice. Is it clear now? All right, that's it.
Yes.
So let's continue. So we've done all these things already, even before we start. Like we've done. There's one more thing we need to. Very important, guys. Remember, Rimorchio does not have an engine. You remember, it is without
Yes.
it is without silencer. But Rimorchio, they have tires. Is it clear?
Yes.
Some Rimorchio now, according now about their plate number, I won't enter there for now. So that one too is a topic of its own later on. We'll discuss it later on. In Rimorchio too, they have braking system. It's very important. That's why when you brake, even the Rimorchio too brakes. That's why you think about it, the Rimorchio will not going to hit the person. When you are pulling a Rimorchio, if you brake now, the motrice. What is a motrice? Who can tell us what is a motrice? Let me see. But I'll be calling you guys now. You'll be telling us this word. Mr. Ifeanyi, what be Rimorchio? See, what be motrice?
Motrice.
All right, Mr. Ebrima, what is Rimorchio? Oh, see, what is motrice? Hello, Mr. Ebrima. Ja, what is a motrice?
Motrice. So very good at it.
Hello, Mr. Ebrima. Hello, all right. Let me see. Mrs. Ifeoluwa, what is a motrice? Hello, ma.
Motrice.
All right. Mr. James, what is a motrice? That means una where I ask this question, una no know am. That means I never even watch the videos wey I post. I took my time. I took my time to sell una video. Una just leave am there. The video just dey waste. That means you've not even watched it. Okay, Mr. James, what is a motrice?
Sorry, sir. Which of the James? Me or
No, now you now, as you dey talk now. What's a motrice, sir?
Okay. To my understanding, a motrice is engine.
No, motrice is not an engine. Let me see other person. Mr. Emmanuel, what is a motrice, sir? Mr. Emmanuel.
Yeah, motrice.
Yes, sir. What's a motrice, sir?
Can you give me the spelling, please?
Motrice.
Yeah, that's a motorbike.
No.
Can I try?
Like a motorcycle.
No.
Can I try?
I recall. Let me see. Let me call because okay, Mr. Stanley Crown. What is a motrice? Welcome, sir, to the lesson. What is a motrice, sir? Mr. Stanley, what is a motrice, sir?
Oh.
Hello, sir. On your mic. Guys, time is going, I beg. These are the lessons we did last time. I took my time to explain these things. I will jump Mrs. Sonia for now. Let me start afresh again. Mr. Chris, what is a motrice, sir?
Motrice
Hello,
is
sir. Sorry, I was busy before.
I recall. Mr. Chris, what's a motrice?
Motrice is a truck. It's a form of lorry.
No.
I recall. No, you are there, but no, it's not a truck. It's not I want you to tell me what's a motrice. I'm coming. Mr. Ifeanyi, what is a motrice?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Ifeanyi, no clue. Mr. Hosh, what is Mr. No, let me leave you for now. Okay, Mr. Osui, what is a motrice?
Motivation of power back.
Very wrong.
Sorry, can I improvise?
I come. Guys, we are wasting time here and we're not supposed to waste time. These are things we have done already. You're supposed to know it. Mr. Stanley Crown, what is a motrice?
Na head of trailer.
Now, head of trailer. That means, what do you mean? What do you mean? Well, you don't call head of trailer. I don't like that word. What do you be?
Okay.
Guys, if I don't, for this class, if I don't teach you on the technical name, please use it. I don't want to hear head of trailer. What do you be motrice? What's a motrice, sir?
Head of truck.
Oh, head of truck don't mean anything for patente. What is a motrice? Mr. Stanley.
Stradale.
It's a trattore stradale. Now, guys, watch. Motrice is a technical name. They give anything pulling something. For example, a trattore stradale is a typical name for a motrice. Now, guys, watch. If you're an auto vettura pulling a rimorchio, that guy pulling the rimorchio is called a motrice. The person that puts the action is called a motrice. If you don't write down, you go forget them. Sometime in your quiz, you can see motrice there. But if you understand what motrice is, you will not fail it. I taught you guys, the videos are there. Motrice is that particular thing that pulls the thing. That's the power. That's the power of that particular thing. For example, a trattore stradale is a typical example of motrice. For example, think about it. If you're an auto vettura pulling a rimorchio, the auto vettura na motrice. All right, guys. Now, let's continue. Now, the controllers now say, watch. I rimorchi or semi-rimorchi sono veicoli privi di motore. They are without engine. Is it clear now? Because they are containers. Privi. On that name for privi is called sensor. If you don't write it down, you forget. Privi means without. They are all type of containers without, they are vehicles without engine. Is it clear now? Let's continue. Destinati ad essere trainati. They are destined to be pulled. Trainare simply means that they pull them. Is it clear? Because these guys are container. What's the meaning of trainare? Other vehicles can, if you to carry your hook, put them on them and pull them. That's the meaning of trainare. Is it clear now? They are destined to be trainati because now plural. Now watch. In the family of container, we have the ones they used to call rimorchi leggeri and rimorchi pesante. Please write it down, Mr. James Jr. Write it down. I don't say the grammar,
Okay.
write it down. It gets some people they call rimorchi leggeri and rimorchi pesante. What is a rimorchio leggero? Let me explain to you guys. Now, let me repeat again. Under the family of rimorchio, that is container, we have the ones that are light containers and heavy containers. Now, if they are light containers, they call them what? Rimorchio leggero. Or rimorchi leggeri, because now plural. Is it clear? Now, how do you know that leggero? Whenever their weight is up to 750 kilograms. Please write it down. It comes out in quiz all the time. I even saw it a particular quiz yesterday. A rimorchio leggero is whenever the weight is from 0 to 750. That is fino a, inferiore a, it means the same thing, 750 kilograms. But whenever it is more than that, it is no more a rimorchio leggero. It is now a rimorchio non leggero or rimorchio pesante. Now they can say i rimorchi leggeri sono quelli di massa pieno carico fino a 750 kilograms. So what have we learned, ladies and gentlemen? We've learned that for a rimorchio to be called rimorchio leggero, their weight should be less than 750 kilograms. Is it clear now? Are you following me now? Now, one thing about rimorchio also is this. They said, sono entrambi dotati di impianto frenante. What does this mean? What's the meaning of impianto frenante? Impianto frenante means they have braking system. Now, that's your rimorchio. Guys, because I believe some people don't forget, I know some people don't do quiz at all. We're not forgetting rimorchio. Look at the family of rimorchio here. Do you know that all these containers, they have braking system? That is why, if you are an auto vettura, you are pulling a rimorchio. If you hold brake, because some of these are electric. They're electric. These guys too, they will hold brake also. That's why this thing will not pull and hit the person in the front. Think about it. Is it clear? Are you following me? All right. Now they can say, that's your rimorchio. That's your caravan. That's your semi-rimorchio. They also have braking system. Dotati. On that name for dotati is muniti. All of them means verb to have. They have. Please write it down. Dotato equals to munito. Two of them mean the same thing. So in your quiz, you can see the word dotato. You can see the word munito. Two of them mean the same thing. It means to have. Please write all these things down. They said both of them, this rimorchio and semi-rimorchio, both of them have braking system. Non è vero che sono muniti di silenziatore. They don't get silencer. Because think about it, they can't have silencer because they don't have engine. In quanto non hanno motore. Is it clear now? They have tires. There are some, they didn't write it here, but there are some quiz where they say they will tell you say you get tire. Now vero. Some of them get tires. Is it clear now? Students, is there any questions so far? Is there any questions so far, guys?
Sorry, sir. When auto trainer is training Rimorchi, does it have something that they use the name of the thing that they use to tag it together, like when you want to join it together?
Yeah. Allora, about that particular part, there is a topic where we'll arrive to that part. Yes. There is a part. Now, remember those things, some of that chain. Is it clear? And those chain get some electric connection also. Is it clear? Now chain. Some
Okay.
they use it. And it is cavo diachai. What is cavo diachai? Iron chain. Steel chain. Okay, guys, we'll come there later on. No be now, not now. Is it clear? Those things, they are being connected with what? Steel chain. All right, guys. Is there any other questions so far?
Yeah, this about this primordial leggeri. You said the
Yes,
weight
sir.
is less than 7 kilogram.
Yes.
It's more than.
Yeah, no, hold on. Rimorchio Leggero is less than 750 kilograms. Now, let me repeat again. They call them Rimorchio Leggero. Why? Because their weight is less than 750 kilograms. Please write it down. Now, if you
Yeah,
are
that's what
Rimorchio
I'm right.
Pesante, it's because your weight is more than 750 kilograms. Please write all these things down. Is there any other question? All right, guys. Now, our next one is called macchine operatrice and macchine agricole. Everybody pay attention here. Macchine operatrice and macchine agricole. Now, the trick is this. I'm going to teach you guys. One thing you need to do for me here now, understand the definition. Understand the difference between these two guys. Understand their definition. Understand the rules and regulation here. It's very important. For you to understand this particular topic here, you must know the definition. You must know many things. Now, guys, what is macchine operatrice? What is macchine agricole? Two of them have the same definition. Is it clear? Now, please remember in this class, after a particular topic, if you know the technical name, I don't want to hear tractor. I don't want to hear no. You must call their names. Is it clear? Now, this is a macchina agricole. Is it clear? This is a macchina agricole. Also, let me show you guys something. This one too can be a macchina agricole. This one too can be macchina operatrice. Is it clear? This is a macchina agricole. This is a macchina operatrice. Anzi, this is a macchina agricole because it has things that use and work on the farm. This is a macchina operatrice because it has something to use and pack something. Because you can use this one and work on the road. Is it clear? Macchina agricole and macchina operatrice. Now, guys, we're about to see their definition. Please pay attention here. I'm about to show you guys something very, very important. Watch. Look at definition. Macchina operatrice e macchina agricole sono macchine semoventi. Why do they call it macchine semoventi? Now, macchine means machine. Why do they call it semoventi? Semoventi because it can drive. It can drive. If you drive, then it will drive. Please write it down. The definition of macchina agricola or macchina operatrice, they call them what? They call them macchine semoventi because they can drive on its own. Number one. Si possono muovere da sole. You can drive them. Si possono trainare. You can also pull them. What do you mean of trainare? Trainare means somebody can hook the iron chain on this particular macchina operatrice and you move them. That's the meaning of trainare. Are you guys following me? I don't explain to be trainare. So tomorrow you know say we never talk about them before. Trainare means when you pull something. Let me show you the meaning of trainare. Because
sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, I want to understand something. You know, when you are pulling something like something like when you are pulling something that also has tire, is moving with you on the floor, the same terra, and the one that you carry on top of the motor, like you tow it on top of the motor, then you now lift it. Are they the same thing, tranare?
Yeah. So long as there is a motrice pulling all of them, they call trinare. So long as they pull something for back. This is a typical,
No,
even if you say, yeah,
what I mean is that, like, for example, you carry a car on top of another car.
yeah, it's called trinare. Yes, because you are pulling something. Is it clear? Yes, you are pulling something. It's called trinare.
Okay.
Are you following me now? All right.
Yes.
So I'm showing you guys what I mean by trinare. Whenever you are pulling something on the back, there's a particular motrice pulling a container. It doesn't matter what that container carry on that container. That's called trinare. It don't declare for this class. So don't say to me, go say no to be trinare. Let's continue. They can say even macchina operatrice and macchina agricole, they can also be trinati. They can pull them. Watch. Both of them, dotati, they say I'm not, they can also say muniti, di ruote gommate or cingoli. They said, this macchina operatrice, this macchine agricole, they say two of them get tires. They also get what they call cingoli. What do you mean cingoli? Then get chain. Because they can move with chain. Have you seen this kind of, they have cingoli. Why do they call them cingoli? Because they have this kind of chain. Let me see if I can see. Macchina agricole cingoli. Coming. So because if I don't, it's good to show you guys picture of these things. Look at it here. You can see some of them. They have cingoli. This is a cingoli. They have this kind of belt, this kind of chain. Is it clear now? So this macchina operatrice and macchina agricole, they can have gommate. Another name for gomme is pneumatici. Tires. They can also go with chain. Simple. I don't break them down for now. Let's continue. Watch. Guys, pay attention. No? Quelli semoventi. Now, if they can drive, what do you mean of semoventi? Like I told you guys before, semoventi means you can drive them. Quelli semoventi possono trasportare al massimo 3 addetti, compreso il conducente, ma non in piedi. If you remember, when we talked about auto veicoli, how go take class? Who can tell me? Okay, let me ask this question. How can you characterize auto veicoli? What characterizes auto veicoli from other vehicles? I'll call a student. You go tell us what is the difference between auto veicoli from ciclomotor and motocicli. I'll call up a student. He will tell us in just a short word without taking us too long. Let me see. Mr. Ebrima. Mr. Ebrima, can you tell us the difference between an auto veicoli, anyone, and a ciclomotor or motocicli? All right. Mrs. Adesua. Mrs. Adesua, on your mic, ma. Please, guys, time is going, I beg. Mr. Adesua, on your mic now. All right, ma. What is the difference between an auto veicoli and ciclomotore or motocicli?
Auto vehicle is used to transport person. Why Chicolo motor is the one with two wheels.
No, very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. Have you started studying, Seth? You don't start to study.
Yes, I've started studying.
No, I don't think they don't start to study. Yeah, I'm not sure they don't even open the video one day. You don't even. Please, man, you have to. If you're this class, the only way we go take pass exam. If you don't watch it, you just waste time. You have to watch it. And the funny part is that let me tell you guys something. Before there was a time when I didn't have this YouTube channel, people are saying I don't send them videos. Now that thing is there for free. Why don't you just go and watch it? Check. I never even started even the charge people money for that one. It is free. Go and watch it. It's for your own good. All right. Let me call that person. Mr. Stanley, what is the difference between the main difference, according to their characteristics, between an auto vehicle of any one of your choice and a motocicli?
Okay, sorry.
No, I mean Mr. Stanley. Mr. Stanley, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. What's the difference between an auto vehicle of your choice, anyone you want to choose, with a ciclomotor or motocicli? What's the main difference?
Auto vehicle. Now, all the cars that have engine, that used to do with engine. Auto, what will be the other one there?
Motocicli or ciclomotor.
Those one are the one to use to transport goods.
No, very wrong. Your answer is very, very wrong. Even you two, you never even start. I don't know when you want to start. You need to start because we don't need to move. All right, let me see another person. Mr. Chris, can you tell us the difference, the main difference, according to their characteristics? Remember, I don't teach this in well. It is very detailed between a motorcycle and auto vehicle or cyclo motor auto vehicle of your choice.
Auto equally has more than 4 tires. And they are used for transporting people and goods.
So you want time is a cyclo motor no get 4 tires.
So they have 4 tires also. Ciclomotor.
So
Ciclomotor have 4 tires. Ciclomotor Nigeria have 4 tires.
Hey, what's the difference? What's the difference? That one know that gets. Difference means say this one get and this one no get them. Guys,
the difference are their
their speed, their potential maximum.
Very wrong. Very wrong. Even potential maxima. Remember, guys. When I watch my video, that one is very wrong.
Should I?
Yeah. I'm hearing you, sir.
Okay. Auto vehicle is a macchina more than 4 tire that transports. Autovettura has a transport 9 persone. The classification of how many passengers that they can carry.
Exactly. And now you don't answer. You can't give me definition. Exactly, sir. And now you can't come there. You characterize out, or even though you never finish them. Guys, the difference is, I've told you guys this many times. The main difference is this. In auto vehicle, you don't characterize it according to their potential, their speed. No. They don't even reach at all. You characterize auto vehicle according to their seaters. Simple, guys. Why Chiclo Motor and Motochicli? They have their own character. You can characterize them. They have their own specific type of, and a three of them, which I've already break down in this class. The videos are there. Is it clear now, guys? All right. Please, this is don't forget them. Now, watch the controls now say macchina operatrice. This is the reason why I asked this question. Watch. Macchina operatrice possono trasportare. They're always talking about the people it can transport because they're their seater. They say the maximum people we fit to transport na 3. Write it down. They say compreso e conducente. That is the maximum seater inside the macchina agricole. Now just 3, including the one of the driver. Is it clear now? This thing comes out in quiz. Now the controllers now say whenever the vehicle is in motion, ma non in piedi, neanche soprattutto sul rimorchio. When this vehicle is moving, now even if this macchina operatrice they try now something, once the vehicle is in motion, nobody should be lying down. Is it clear now? You cannot be standing up safe. You must sit down with your seat belt. Everybody must put on their seat belt. That's what it means. Now, guys, watch. Capital letter, le macchine agricole sono destinati ad essere impiegate nelle attività agricole e forestali. Now, time to tell us the uses of macchine agricole. Please, there's something that comes out in our quiz, or they'll tell you say, you only use them in those particular areas where they close to a company that produces farm products. Not be true. Le macchine agricole they are destined per essere impiegate for agricultural activities and forestal activities. Is it clear? That is where you use macchine agricole. Now watch. Remember that sono semoventi, the controls now say, possono circolare su strada per il proprio trasferimento. You can drive them on the road because they get tires. They get gomme. Is it clear now? So you can drive them on the road. Watch, there's a condition here. They said, possono circolare su strada. Circolare does not mean secular form. Trasportare, procedere, marciare, transitare, all of them mean the same thing. They can go, they can drive. Possono marciare, possono transitare su strada per il proprio trasferimento. Now, you don't carry your macchina operatrice. Let's say you don't get your own patente. You can't go do macchina operatrice patente because that one, you need patente to that one. We are coming there. Now, watch. You're not. They say now, when you finish with your farm products, you can drive your own macchina agricole, take it to your garage. Is it clear? But there's a condition. They said, possono circolare su strada per il proprio trasferimento o per il trasporto di prodotti, ma solo se immatricolate. Only if they are registered. Now for you to, because if it's not registered, you cannot enter the road. You have to pull them. You have to train them. You have to carry them, like my brother said something. You have to carry them on something. That is, there will be a motrice. carrying a remorque, can't they carry this your market agricole on top? Is it clear now? If it is not registered, because the tire no go touch ground. If it's not registered, let's continue. But if it's registered, you can drive them. Now watch.
But
Eh?
can it it cannot drive on autostrada, right?
Now, hold on, guys. Now, macchina agricole. Before we enter into anything that concerns autostrada, now, the thing is this: I jump autostrada. I jump am. I don't know why I jump am. I for talk am before I talk here, guys. Remember, in autostrada, if you're a vehicle that goes slow, you can't even enter autostrada. Even if it is written there, macchina agricole cannot find itself in autostrada. Even in strada estobana principale, they cannot be there.
No.
I promise you guys that I will go back there again. I will go. We'll do autostrada, and we'll do them, but not today. I believe so. Let's continue, guys. Le macchine agricole. Now, inside macchine agricole, we have the ones called eccezionale. Why do they call it eccezionale? Eccezionale because their weight is big. They are bigger. For example, there are some macchine agricole which they are very big. They are huge. They are used for doing different kind of purposes. Is it clear? They call them macchine agricole eccezionale. Exceptional. There is a big macchina agricole. Is it clear now? Why we now have the one called macchina agricole non-eccezionale, those ones that are smaller ones. And they are so small that they have the size of a motocicli. I'm not joking with you, it's true. There are some of them that, think about it, even that particular one you use in cutting your garden, they are so small. Some of them are so small that it's even smaller than your motocicli, even your ciclomotore. Now they can't say, sir?
The exceptionally is it the big one and the non-exceptionally is the small one?
Exactly, sir. The eccezionale is the bigger one. That one where you big well. Why non-eccezionale is the smaller one? Now they can say le macchine agricole non-eccezionale. And why do they call it non-eccezionale? Because what? Because their weight, their hugeness is so small. It's as small as a motocicli. Now they can say, what is macchine agricole non-eccezionale? Quelli che non superano i limiti di sagoma. What do you know sagoma? Imagine saying somebody just pass you. You can't look back. The person big. That's what is called sagoma. The bigness, the hugeness. Is it clear? They say non superano. They are not overseeding the limit, the sagoma. Is it clear? Of what? La massa previsti per i motor veicoli. Now, their weight and their bigness resemble the one of motor veicoli. Remember, on that name for motor vehicle is called motocicli. Don't forget. Is it clear now? Now, which patente do you need? Do you need to use to drive macchine agricole non-eccezionale? Non-eccezionale. You need what? Si possono condurre con la patente di categoria E1. A1. Patente A1. Guys, we have A, we have B, we have C, we have D. Is it clear now? They have many type of patente. Are you guys following me? But in patente, we only stop at CE. Are you following me? Let's continue. We are going to see this in later on. And the funny part is that we are going to see it. See what I teach you now. It will be very useful when we enter even to the last topic, because that's what we'll see now. We'll now touch this in again. So please don't forget this topic. Everything that concerns patente, we'll see it when we're about to finish, at in 4 months' time. The concept was you need patente A1 to drive macchina agricole non-eccezionale. Now, for you to not drive macchina agricole eccezionale, you need patente B. Guys, watch. With your patente B that all of us want to get, do you know with your patente B, you can drive those bigger macchine agricole? It's written here, quelle eccezionale con la patente B. Now, I want to even shock you. Whenever you get it, for those that will get a patente from June, July, in your patente, they'll even draw those particular vehicles you can drive. Macchina agricole is part of them. That is macchina agricole eccezionale. All right, guys, that's it. If you've written it down, you don't get wahala. If you don't write it down, forget about it. Now they can say watch.
Question.
Yes, sir.
This A1 and A, which one is more stronger?
I know that, guys. Now, my brother here, they asked me for patente E. Now, patente E, if I explain it now, people don't know them. Now, patente E, now a bigger version of, now, we have, can we do something? I don't want to discuss it, because if I start talking about patente E, on that name for patente E is called A3, but I don't want to discuss it right now, because that's not our focus of attention. For now, let's focus our attention. Let's go step by step. We don't do E1. Now, I'm not even entering into patente. I'm not even entering into patente. Is it clear? Because if I enter patente now, we'll go out of points. To even shock
Okay.
you, we'll discuss patente on the 4th month when we're about to finish. That's how funny it is. Is it clear? So if I start talking about patente now, we'll go out of focus. Is it clear? So I like going step by step. Patente, there are plenty of them. There are plenty of them. Is it clear? Yes, we have patente A. And there's a big difference between A, that question you asked me, and A1. There's a big difference. A is bigger than A1. And when you have patente that is bigger version, you can drive the other one that are smaller. That's not a focus. That is not where they go to. Let's just continue, my brother. If you follow, if you did constant, if you did constant to the end of the class, which nobody of us will do constant actually, but if you did constant, you will do this part also. I also believe that the lesson said there for YouTube already. It's already there because the lesson did already. If you go there, you can search for it. Now watch. We now have what they call macchine operatrice. What is macchine operatrice? Remember now, we've treated macchina agricole. Now, what is macchina operatrice? Are those particular vehicles? Auto vehicle, yes, because it's under the family of auto vehicle. What we say they use those ones in walking on the road. Have you seen those vehicles they use to clear the road? Those vehicles they use in removing when snow fall. They use to pack away the snow. Those are those type of macchina agricole. Have you macchina operatrice? Have you seen that type of that auto vehicle they use early in the morning to clean the road when they finish doing market? They use it has a brush. They call those things macchina operatrice. Now they can say le macchine operatrici sono ad esempio sgombra neve, spatti neve. All these things are being used to remove snow. Veicoli utilizzati per la costruzione di opere civili o stradale. Those vehicles used for road construction. Per la movimentazione di cose. Those vehicles they use to transport goods. Let's say, for example, they've dig the ground. They will now use that look like packer. They will take it away. Is it clear? They call those things macchina operatrice. Now watch. See the same thing. Under macchina operatrice, we have those guys called macchina operatrice eccezionale and non-eccezionale. I'll give you time to write it down. Now watch. Which are those vehicles called macchina operatrice non-eccezionale? Watch. They are called non-eccezionale whenever their weight doesn't go more than 3.5 T. Guys, let me throw a little bit of light concerning this weight, 3.5 T, because unfortunately, our patente never discuss it. I will tell you guys for free. Do you know that you with your patente B, because that's what we want to do, you can only drive vehicles that their weight is up to 3.5 T. Why they call it 3.5 T? T means tonnellate, tons in English. Now, there are some quiz that will call it 3,500 kilogram, because if you convert that tons to kilogram, now 3,500 kilogram. Is it clear? What do you mean? Me and you can drive vehicles that their weight is not more than 3,500 kilogram. Are you guys following me when I teach you? Is it clear now? That is what me and you can drive. Now, if the weight now exceed that limit, I need a different patente. That is why you see people drive different kind of auto vehicle. If you see, I'm not using the technical names. Now, if I will not go right, I will just try to understand the same. We need patente B up to for every vehicle that the weight is not more than 3.5 T. But when we start overseeing that limit, you need a different type of patente. Now watch, they can say, quelli non eccezionale. Those particular macchina operatrice that is not exceptional, that is small. For example, me and you can drive that one. Guess what? Sì, fino a 3,5 tonnellate si possono condurre con la patente B. Are you seeing it now? Because me and you can drive any vehicle that the weight is not more than 3.5 T. But now watch. Whenever that macchina operatrice now exceeds the 3.5 T, you need patente C. Is it clear? But this patente...
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. I know your question. You want to ask me the patente C?
No. I
Okay.
want to ask, there's still a patente and Novata C and patente BE.
Yes, we have been, like I said, we have different codice monizzato 96. But my brother, the thing is this, like I said before, patente, if I start teaching you guys patente, now if you look at me, I don't like teaching, I don't like going here. I like going, if there's a topic I'm going to, I'll teach that topic. Even if I mention something, we'll soon see. Trust me, my brother, if you are constant, we'll get there. Because if I start teaching you about patente right now, we'll go out of, we'll miss this thing. And some people here will never understand what I'm teaching. So I like going step by step. It's just for you to be constant. I know sometimes some of them don't know this thing before, but I like going step by step. I like your curiosity. It's nice. Even they encourage me, but I'll go step by step because of the fact that some people here, they've not even had that word before, so they need to understand it step by step. But if you want to know more, the videos there YouTube already. You can go more than us. But yeah, I like going step by step. Yes, we have patented BE. We have patented culture harmonizator 96. We have all these things. Yeah, but that's not we are not going to do it now. Because if I start explaining it now, some people say I've not even understood everything concerning classification of vehicles. So I can't teach those things now until I don't understand our way. Is there any other question concerning these particular two guys called Macchina Operatrice and Macchina Agricole? On these two guys, is there any question?
Sir,
Yes, my brother.
please, the velocita, is it 40-40?
Yeah. You just mentioned something very nice now. Now, because if you look here, they didn't talk about it, yes. But if you look at your own textbook, it is 40 kilometers per hour. Putropo, unfortunately, I don't know why it is not here. They're supposed to have mentioned the speed here. But when we go further, we'll see a particular topic where they'll talk about the speed. Yes. For Macchina Agricole, their speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Is it clear? So they can't enter into autostrada. They go to, think about it, my brother. See, their maximum speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Ciclomotore, the maximum now 45 kilometers per hour. You see, I'm now say Ciclomotore speed even big past this guy. Are you seeing it now?
So,
Yeah.
see, sir, please, the Charly&drive, is it same with Chiquanta 3, or I don't understand?
That's a wonderful question. The Cilindrata is not 50. Remember, this guy is an auto vehicle. It's different from the other guys. Its own Cilindrata, they bigger than that guy. The only thing they will say, the speed, they small. Yes, that's the only thing. But they classify this guy according to auto vehicle. Don't forget. You know, they're under Ciclo Motor and Motor. That's a wonderful question. It is not under Ciclo Motor and Motor Vehicle. Yes, it's not under them. It is under auto vehicle. But the only thing they say, I understand your question now. It makes sense. It's just that the speed is smaller. But the Cilindrata and a different Cilindrata. My brother, to put fuel for this guy, you know how much you go spend? Because Cilindrata and that container where they contain the fuel. The tank is very big. To fill up this tank, it's very big, my brother. Even to drive this in from one place to another, do you know how much they spend? They spend a lot of money. So you cannot classify these guys you classify them according to their SITA because it's an auto vehicle. That's a wonderful question, my brother. Is
So
there another question?
I would have